Hey guys, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online. I'm hoping you guys are having a great day as always. I wanted to do a video. I wanted to drop a little resource on you from the Webstaurant store. I have done a couple videos a few months back about the webstaurantstore.com that has a lot of resources as far as supplies, food supplies in bulk, restaurant equipment, smallware, all kinds of stuff, pretty much for any type of food business. But the reason why I'm doing this particular video, let me scroll down and show you. They have a resource, and this is great information for you guys right here. If you go to the bottom, it says Food Service Resources. Click on Explore Resources. Check out this. Webstar Store has put together a bunch of informative blog posts on different topics. Look on the left over here. These are for an enormous amounts of variety of food businesses, food trucks, bakery, catering, and so on and so on. And the number here on the side is the amount of different posts that they have up. And the resources, this information, though, is really informative. It gives you a lot of great tools and tips. It's even written by a lot of restaurant owners and people who've actually started their own business. So I just wanted to share this with you. I'm not going to take a huge amount of your time for this video. I wanted to pop this up because I thought this would be a great resource for you guys. And you can scroll down to the bottom and literally check this out. These are some of the recent blogs, right? And it has a ton of, there's a coupon code, of course, for them. Dog-friendly restaurants, pros and cons, just some really unique, different information, tidbits of information on how to market your restaurant, if you've got a food truck, coffee shop tips. So if you're wanting to start one of these types of business, it goes on and on, by the way. Bar manager, if you want to start a bar, there's some tips on here how to do it, how to open it up correctly, how to advertise it, market, so on and so on. There's some eco-friendly tips if you're looking to be eco-friendly with your food type of business, and just catering, it goes on and on. So really quick, scroll up to you'll go onto the main page again. Let me just show you back where you can find this, and then I'll let you guys go ahead and search for this on your own. I just wanted to drop you a really quick video and show you this because I thought this would be really, really good for you guys. So again, to the top of it, when you're at the home page of Webstaurant Store, just go to the bottom and then just click on that Explore Resources, okay? And then to the left side, and if you're looking for, if you don't see something, by the way, you don't see your type of food business here, just simply type it in here. Let's say it was an ice cream shop, okay? And you wanted some information about ice cream shops. Here, my goodness, they have a ton of stuff on ice cream. Anyway, so yeah, here's a lot of great blogs and just other posts that are really informative on the different type of cones, the different kind of ice cream, and just so on and so on. So if you want to start a catering business, I've actually looked, when I had my Italian bakery, we actually did a considerable amount of local catering. And this was really helpful. The information, I found tons of articles on here that I was able to read up on, and then that helped me kind of develop our own catering business that we had. It was a local thing. It was a small portion of our business, but it definitely was more business. So everything from folding chairs, commercial food processors, anything you need for catering and where you can get it, these are great resources. So I just want to drop you really quick. Like I said before, I hope this helps you guys out. If it does, as always, do give me a big thumbs up. Take some time and definitely check out these articles. They are really great, super, super informative. And the Webstaurant Store, by the way, this is where we get probably about 20% of our ingredients from. They really have a ton of other, excuse me, food and beverage. They have cooking oils, herbs, and condiments, and tabletop. You have beverages, flatware. It's just amazing. They have I think 220,000 items. So thank you guys. Check out this website.